Hi everyone, it's Tara Molina outside of my open house. Today I'm in the community of Sunridge in Airdrie and I'm at 104 Sunridge Place. This home was just listed this past week and it is loaded with amazing features and super close to awesome amenities like Fletcher Park and the Airdrie BMX track. If you're heading down to Airdrie Fest today, you can easily stop on by my open house. I'm here from 11 until 1 today. So stop on by, take a peek of this house before you head down to all the awesome events happening on Main Street in Airdrie. But I'm going to start by touring the outside of 104 Sunridge Place. I'm going to flip my camera around. There we go. So this home was just listed. It's priced for $398,500 and it's just an incredible family home. Actually, I just want to do a quick view of the street. It is such an amazing street, great neighbors. Everyone's taking care of their properties around here. Just a nice quiet street, no through road, which is great, so very safe for your kids to play outside. And like I said, it's very close to so many awesome amenities, very close to everything to do on Main Street, Fletcher Park, the Airdrie BMX track. So let's head on inside 104 Sunridge Place. So as soon as you walk in, you're immediately greeted by these nice vaulted ceilings, beautiful wood floors. It's just nice and open and bright. They do have the gorgeous top-down, bottom-up blinds throughout. This home is over 1,600 square feet above grade, plus a fully developed basement. There's a double attached garage this way. If I walked here, you'd have main floor laundry just conveniently tucked into your main floor powder room, but a nice laundry pair with extra storage, nice bright window, beautifully maintained. If I walked through this way, we're going to hit the family room, but I'm going to go back the way I came and do a pan of this nice big bright main entryway with a dining room, a flex room that they're using as a nice reading nook. Could be anything you want. And let's check out the kitchen. I love this screen right here. I have the door open. It's such a beautiful day, so a nice screen to have the air flow through the home. And we'll do a pan here of the kitchen. 104 Sunridge Place here in Airdrie. Oh, there's my Starbucks. Beautiful kitchen, gorgeous gray color palette on the walls, nice ceramic flooring. And we're gonna do a pan here of the great room. Again, open to top down, bottom up window coverings. Gorgeous gas fireplace. Again, the floor carried out throughout the home. And let's peek outside. We'll start by opening up my screen door here. Now, one of the features I love about this home is the amazing backyard. It's huge, nice size, well-maintained, gorgeous shed, fully treed and landscaped, fully fenced. Just a gorgeous west-facing sunny spot to enjoy. Very private. The trees really fill in this property and no windows are looking at you. It's very, very private. I know that the backyard was one of the selling features for this family when they bought this property. And definitely I can tell why. It's just gorgeous. So we're gonna head upstairs first. 104 Sunridge Place. Again, I'm at the open house today from 11 until 1. It's Saturday. And there's so much going on in Airdrie. There's Airdrie Fest happening. So if you are heading down to Main Street, you can easily pop by. Here's the master bedroom. It's quite large. They have pretty large furniture and there's still a ton of space to move around. You have your ensuite with a full shower stall. And then you have a pretty large walk-in closet. I'll just do a pan in here. Lots of nice storage space. So this is the master. And they have other bedrooms up. So 3 bedrooms up and 1 bedroom in the basement. Hi everyone. Here is your main bath. I'll just open this up a bit. Shower is tiled all the way to the ceiling. Beautiful color palette. Here's bedroom 2 of 3. Very good sized bedrooms in this home. The furniture is pretty large, but there's still a lot of floor space. And here's bedroom 3 of 3 upstairs. So we're gonna head downstairs and check out the basement. Again, I'm at 104 Sunridge Place here in Airdrie. As always, you can check out my website, taramolina.com/104 to check out this listing. It just hit the market last week. It's priced at $398,500. Great value for this fully developed family home that just had some fresh updates done and on a quiet street. So let's flip my camera now that I'm in the basement. So we head to the left and there's a guest room, or whatever room you need it to be. It's pretty large. It also has nice storage, tons and tons of space. They're using it as a hybrid office / guest room. I'm gonna do a pan here. I'm calling this the games area / family room. But there's so much space in this home that you can really make any room whatever you want it to be. We do have a Canucks fan in this house. They use it as a toy room. They have 2 kids, and this is the perfect place for the family to get together, spend some time. And then just down the hall, you have your full bath down here for your guests. Nice big space. And then through this door, you have your utility room and storage. So much space, so much storage here. They have a lot of extra upgrades, so make sure you check out my website, taramolina.com/104 for all of the information on this home. But better yet, if you are in the neighborhood, I'm here until 1 o'clock today, so stop on by. This is stop number 1 of 2 open houses I'm doing today. But yeah, if you're heading on down to Airdrie Fest, stop on by. It's right on the way. Hope to see you soon, but this home is a definitely must-see. I'm gonna do a pan here again, this front room, so you can see just how much space you have. Beautiful gray walls, gorgeous vaulted ceiling, so much space. Have an awesome Saturday, everyone. Stop by 104 Sunridge Place here in Airdrie. I'm here until 1. See you soon.